Load your family into the 2015 GMC Yukon XL 1500. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and more. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing GMC's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.